Welcome back, Tyreman followers, to another exciting episode of the Tyreman Unplugged, your premier source for the latest updates in the world of tyres. I'm Kenny Lim, your guide through the latest happenings in the tyre industry. If you are as passionate about tyres as we are, hit the subscribe button to stay in the loop. Now, let's dive into episode 4. Our first stop takes us south of the US border, where Sailun Tyre is making waves with a brand new state-of-the-art factory in Mexico. In a joint venture with TD International Holding, Sailun Singapore is investing a whopping $240 million to boost production capabilities. The facility aims to roll out 6 million semi-steel radial tyres annually, underscoring Sailun's commitment to quality and innovation. This strategic move not only meets the surging demand for their products, but also signifies a crucial step in Sailun's global growth strategy. Discover how this factory sets the stage for innovation and efficiency. For the full scoop, head over to the Tyreman website. Shifting gears to the world of sports, JC Rubber has scored big by becoming the official global tyre partner of the iconic Arsenal Football Club. This 3-year collaboration puts JC Rubber in the spotlight during Premier League, Emirates FA Cup and Carabao Cup games at Emirates Stadium starting December 2nd, 2023. Arsenal provides JC Rubber with a dynamic platform for brand exposure through LED field ads, social media engagement, player interactions, and exclusive events for distributors. It's not just a partnership, it's a celebration of sustainability and premium products. Find out all the details of JC Rubber's journey with the Gunners on the Tyreman website. Now, let's talk about making a difference. Hankook Tyre Malaysia, a regional powerhouse, has exemplified social responsibility with a Ringgit Malaysia 10,000 contribution to the Free Milk Project. In collaboration with the Office of the Member of Parliament for Segambut and the Korean Society Malaysia, this initiative aims to provide essential nutrients to children in the B40 community. Hankook Tyre Malaysia, alongside other Korean companies, has shown their commitment to community well-being by supporting the installation of free milk machines in suburban areas of Segambut. Managing Director Nam Oh-Yun shares insight into Hankook's dedication to social responsibility. Dive into the story further in the Tyreman website. And that wraps up another episode of the Tyreman Unplugged. From Sailun's Mexican marvel to JC Rubber's kicked-off with Arsenal and Hankook's heartfelt contribution, the tyre industry continues to excite us with its innovation, global reach, and compassion. Stay tuned for more industry updates, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to roll with us through every twist and turn. Until next time, I'm Kenny Lim, signing off with best wishes for the new year. Thank you for watching.